Assalamualaikum and very good day to our Madam Suhana binti Abdul Majid. Today we are going to present our mini project about forklift. My name is Zafrul Nizam bin Zolkefli. My metric number is F1193. Today I am going to present about introduction. Forklift is a small industrial vehicle having a power operate fork platform attached at the front that can be raised and lowered for insertion under a cargo to lift or move it. Forklift serve the needs of various industries including warehouse and other large storage facilities. Forklifts are powered by electrical battery or combustion engines. Some forklifts allow the operator to sit while driving and operating the machine, while others require the operator to stand. It is being extensively used throughout the industry for transporting material and goods. Problem statement: the maximum weight data placed on forklift should never be bigger as the maximum amount able to be lifted. There are several factors that affect the lifting capacity, which is often reduced for various reasons. It is important to remember the lifting capacity is based upon the load center. First, insecure or unstable load. Second, load over capacity. The objective: to solve about loads are another source of possible forklift hazard depending on what and how much we carry. Everyone should always secure our loads before moving the forklift and double check that the load is both stable and not sensing capacity. Any of these things can result in overturns and other accidents. It's also important to operate with extra caution with carrying hazardous materials, since any spill or drop can endanger the entire work zone. This is our assemble project. This is our drawing project. We have a top view, front view, side view, and isometric.
My name is Akmal Salihin bin Nasarudin. My metric number F1210. Okay, the problem solving is the first, design that enable workers to operate the forklift machine properly. Second, with the addition of pulley, it makes it easier to lift heavy item more easily. Third, secure the load so it is stable and can move around. Don't try to pick up the mesh load unless it has been secured by wrapping or bending. The last is use the load station backrest when needed.
For our forklift part, first we use a pulley system. This rope has been provided in a connection to the part of forklift. When turned on, the motor will complete and will turn the container to the forklift. For the design, we put a battery and motor at the bottom of this project. Inside here, we put 4 tires to make this forklift balance and when lifting something, a load. And the last one is design for this part is designed to stable this forklift while lifting the heavy load from here.
Okay, the next review. Cardboard is a generic term for heavy-duty, paper-based product having greater thickness and superior durability or other specific mechanical attributes to papers such as foldability, rigidity, and impact resistance. We use as a body forklift prototype, and mostly this prototype from cardboard. Okay, the next slide. A DC motor is any of a class of rotary electrical motors that convert direct current electrical energy into mechanical energy. The most common types rely on the force produced by magnetic field. Nearly all the type of DC motor have some internal mechanism, either electromechanical or electronic. The periodically change the direction of current in part of the motor. the next. Next slide. Design the glue paper and cardstock together and are not as strong as some liquid-based variants. They can be used for craft and design, office use and at school. There are now permanent, washable, acid-free, non-toxic, solvent-free and dyed varieties. These are most commonly used today. Okay, the next slide is, in our prototype, our ice cream stick is used to create for lifting design due to the tough and easy features of the ice cream trunk on the other side. It is also suitable for lightweight use and is great for showing demonstration lifting load once the content project is completed. Okay, the next slide is used to control the forward and backward movement of a project. It is also used to lift and lower forklift to lift the load.
My name is Syahrul Aiman by Ammeree, matrix number F1209, and we continue about our literature review. Next is, we use yarn as the part that will lift the forklift. Yarn is one of the important ingredients in moving the forklift. The last one is toy wheel are used to move yards. This fulfill the pulley and belt aspect. When the wheel is spinning, it will also move the yarn. This is our product finishing. And the last one is our functionality and demonstration. Last one is conclusion. Project Mechanical Mini Forklift is aimed to evaluate the load. The most blessing of exploitation, this can be used to simply handle significant load. It will increase the productivity because it is suitable for use after several parts have been changed from the original to a better shape without altering the original function of the project. The system is meant and developed with success. For the demonstration purpose, paradigm mini model is built and the result satisfactory. It could be the sole one. We have straightforward quick the speed of the vehicle for manual operation. It is typical because any intelligent application. Considering the project time and everybody has specific steps, we tend to terminate this project is that the proper one. Since Ammeree is a simple modification in its mechanical movement and shape luggage that will convert into the site which can perform a special type of work. We tend to return conclusion that operate by hand the vehicle is cut back and it work of skill. Workers and any workers can have use our vehicle additionally because of its safe, cheap and straightforward to use and increase the productivity.